Today's dish, I'm doing mushroom two ways. We're making a mushroom spread using some beautiful Cremini mushrooms, and I'm also pickling some mushrooms. And I was the chef of a small restaurant. I did this lentil spread, and it was very delicious. Everybody loved it. It was very cost effective. So I'm excited to take this dish, reinvent it even more, and add mushrooms to it. I'm Chef Kyle from Kyle's Creations, here to make simple and healthy recipes for everyday living. If you're new here and you love healthy, creative cooking, hit that subscribe button right now. We're going to start with our pickled mushrooms. Just going to brush the mushrooms with a slightly damp cloth just to remove any bits of dirt, take off the stems. So this dish is a great way to start off with the fall. Mushrooms, very healthy. And if you guys want to know any information about mushrooms in general or ingredients that I'm using, click that description box for my WebMD links. Now we're doing a quick pickle. We're gonna cut this in about thirds. It's a larger mushroom. We can do fourths. Now I'm gonna take the stems. We're just gonna split these in half. So nothing goes to waste here. And we're gonna make the pickling liquid now. On medium heat, add some distilled white vinegar, go in with some water, a cup of brown sugar, a few pinches of salt, mustard seeds, coriander seeds actually, a few bay leaf, slice of ginger, some garlic cloves, whole black peppercorns. I'm gonna add some mustard seeds, big pinch of mustard seeds, and 2 cloves of star anise. All right, it's coming to a boil right now. Wow, I could smell really rich pickled aroma. It's gonna shut it off. I'm gonna bring that to room temperature, and then we're gonna pour it over our mushrooms. While the liquid and the sugar are marrying and dancing together, I'm gonna prepare the mushrooms. I'm gonna get it inside this jar right here, along with the dill, and we're gonna pour that and get an even distribution of the spices. So first, for this mushroom spread, we're gonna use half a yellow onion. I already showed you guys how to clean the mushrooms. Now we're just gonna chop them. So it doesn't have to be too fine. When you guys are dealing with mushrooms, as soon as you get it from the supermarket, of course, it's gonna be wrapped in plastic. The thing is, mushrooms, they wanna stay dry. Keep it in the fridge, poke a few holes, take the garlic, remove the ends. Doesn't have to be perfect. All gonna get cooked in the braising liquid. A little bit of ginger, remove skin. You can also use a peeler. About a teaspoon of fresh ginger. Stainless steel pot, I have it on about medium heat. I'm gonna add some oil. I'm gonna go in with my spices. So cumin, paprika, and turmeric. Toast that for 1 minute. Onions going in. Oh, it smells so good. Let that soften for a bit. A touch of salt is going in. Garlic. Simple vegetarian option. Lentils are now going in. Touch more oil, just a coat. So I'm using French lentils here. Toast it for about a minute. You can use any type of lentils that you want. Mushrooms are going in. Just get it coated in all that flavored oil. Add a little white pepper to it. It's gonna activate the turmeric. I'm gonna add some bay leaf and just keep mixing it around for 1 minute. So add the thyme. Now we're gonna add our liquid. So I'm gonna add about 3 times as much liquid. Really smells like fall. It really smells like a lot of flavor going on. Now it's bubbling away. I don't want all the water to evaporate from this. So I'm just gonna lower it and let that cook for about 30 to 40 minutes. Let's come take a look. Lentils are fully cooked. Just gonna remove the bay leaf and the thyme. I'm gonna blend about half right now. I'm gonna add a touch of water. Just a splash of lime juice. Hold the base. I'm gonna prepare the platter so I could show you guys how to prepare this for your loved ones, family, friends coming over, or perfect date experience. Take some romaine lettuce. I already washed my hands, and this lettuce is already washed as well. We're gonna take a couple pieces, just cut at an angle, and we're gonna take the nice ones. I'm gonna save this for another salad. Now I'm gonna take the bread. We're gonna do some long slices. Just a little bit of this extra virgin olive oil. So we're gonna toast that for a few minutes. Set that aside right here. So I'm just gonna spoon a little bit around, a little bit of oil. It's gonna be the centerpiece. Take a little bit, spread it on my toast. Nice, beautiful consistency. So this can last up to a week in the fridge. You can have this cold, you can warm it up if you like. Now I'm gonna take some of the pickled mushrooms right over here, drain some of the liquid. And the pickled mushrooms can last up to a month covered in liquid. And also these glass containers keep things fresh as well. Look at this beautiful spread here. Didn't take very long to make. I'm gonna try it together with the pickled mushroom. Before you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna give you guys 2 dishes now. One's gonna be at the end of this video. It's gonna be a mushroom soup. You gotta try it. And the second one I'm gonna pin to my comment section. It's gonna be a mushroom on toast recipe. So I'm giving you in total 4 mushroom dishes to make for the fall. Let's try this right now. Wow, it hits the spot. There's a nice crunch from the semolina with the fresh bread, and it immediately hits my mouth is this nice coating from the lentils and mushrooms. Super flavorful. I get that last hint of pickling spice. The pickling liquid from the mushrooms really comes through. You can have your kids plate up. It's super easy and fun, easy cleanup. Cheers, guys. Stay tuned for the next episode.